Welcome. Today we're diving into a helpful feature on WhatsApp for PC that allows you to view all shared links in a group with ease. Whether you're trying to locate an important resource or revisit a shared website, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and efficient. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and have access to your chats. Once you're in, navigate to the group where the links were shared. This could be any group: family, friends, or work-related. Next, click on the group name at the top of the chat window. This action will open the group's contact info page, which contains various options and details about the group. Here's where things get interesting. On the contact info page, look for the section labeled Links. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a dedicated area displaying all the links that have been shared within that group. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly finding links without having to scroll endlessly through messages. From this list, you can easily browse through all shared links, whether they're websites, articles, or other resources. If you're looking for something specific, this organized view makes it simple to locate exactly what you need. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps: opening WhatsApp, selecting your group, clicking on its name, and accessing the links section, you can view all shared links in a WhatsApp group on your PC. This feature is perfect for staying organized and ensuring you never lose track of important information. Feel free to explore this new update and see how it enhances your WhatsApp experience. Thanks for tuning in.